welcome to this channel again. In this video I am going to show you how to install Zoom app on Android phone. Okay, if you are using Android phone and you need to attend online seminars or online classes or meetings, then probably you will have to get installed Zoom application on your phone. Okay, so how to install this app on your phone? Let's see. Okay, first of all you need to go to Play Store. It is available on Play Store of your phone. Click on here. Okay, it opens like this. Okay, there is search bar. Click here, simply, and search for Zoom, and it suggests you the option. Click on the first option, or you can just search for Zoom. It shows like this. This is the Zoom app we are looking for, and note that there must be zoom.us because this application is developed in US. So to install this application, there is install button. Okay, install button or switch, whatever you say. So click on here, install. Remember that to install any app from Play Store, you need to log in the Play Store first. You may have email ID and password. You just log in from your Google account. Okay, Zoom application has 24.43 megabyte size, and it takes few seconds to download the app. Okay, the application has been downloaded and it is going to be installed. Okay, let's wait for a while. Okay, it is done. So it says installed. Okay, and there is open option. Now you can open from here or go back to the home screen, and there is Zoom application. You can click here to open the app. Okay, it opens like this. Okay, it says join a meeting, and it has two options: sign in, sign up. If you are new in using this application, then you have to create a Zoom account first, which is sign up. And if you have already used this app and created Zoom account, then you just click on sign in button and join the meeting. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you for watching.